Testimonials are without a doubt one of the most researched topics when it comes to selecting a business. Customers want to know if you are a trustworthy service and how you have treated other customers in the past based on your price, services, and just the overall experience. A business with 5-star reviews is more likely to get business over a company with 3 stars. In the same sense, a company with real customer testimonials allows your potential clients to hear their story and how you treated them during your engagement. It's easy for anyone to just type out a review, but to have multiple video testimonials gives your presence an advantage over your competitors by having real feelings and genuine gratitude towards your company and bringing validation to your credibility. Having video testimonials is a great way to build your video library. You can always ask past clients to come in and say something nice about your company, and you can also use them on your website and also rotate them throughout your social media. For more information, visit www.jwayneproductions.com and let us help you grow your business.